amazing central forms. SVS means Sri Virat Sai, our God. I am Nalla S. Reddy Naidu. In this video, I would like to share my experiences with regard to nematodes problem in Taiwan pink guava plantation. I planted almost 2000 plants in my 5-acre part of my farm, almost in 5 acres land, with 10 by 10 spacing. Right? For guava, nematode is the biggest issue. Many people are not aware of it, and in most of the cases, this is carried along with this nematode problem is carried along with the plants from the nursery. I have seen many well-educated people turn to farming, like software engineers, etc., turn to farming and took up this Taiwan pink plantation with great enthusiasm and were thoroughly disappointed and left the farming, horticulture farming in between, just because of this issue. Because the loss it creates is huge. Plants simply die. After lakhs of investment, suddenly, without any obvious reasons, because if we do not have the experience in growing these plants and the symptoms of nematodes, the certain delay occurs by the time we understand something is gravely wrong. That time, it's very difficult to save the plants. That's how people incur lakhs of rupees of capital investment and lose interest and go away from that plantation, that profession, right? So, for all those people, I wanted to share my experiences so that they get benefited and they understand where do they go wrong and take precautionary measures. In my case also, by the time I understand, initially people were advising it's potassium deficiency, that deficiency, this deficiency, or something like that. I was giving waste decomposer, I was using compost, I was using many other things. Initially, I took to this carbofuran granules, copper oxychloride, all these things. They are called 3G granules, something like that. Somebody was telling Silver X, many chemicals. They are all highly intoxicated, highly powerful, but no, nematode. Maybe at very initial stages it might work as a preventive thing. It might work, but once it attacks and gets strength and damages the plant to a great extent, then none of them would help us. Okay. Only way of controlling them is by using biopesticides. I would like to tell you what are they. See, I have used this is Bacillomyces elacinus. This is Verticillium chlamydosporium. This is Pseudomonas. This is Trichoderma viridi. Right? Especially these Bacillomyces and chlamydosporium are purely to work against these nematodes. Right? The other two, Trichoderma viridi and Pseudomonas, I understood from my plant entomologist, Mr. Jaina Saab of Warangal, that they are like, if these people are, king and minister, these are like soldiers. They give lateral support. All these things, how we applied, I will tell you. So at the rate of, see, 100 kgs of dung we should take and mix 1 kg of each of these 4. If you want to add more, like Azotobacter, Bacillus, and Frachuria, these are all biofertilizers. These 3 also you can add. They all 3 together come by the name, trade name Consort, brand name Consort, by Margo company of Bangalore. All these I have shown are also excepting for this this one. This is from Amalgamation Group, Stains company. Balance all 3 are from Margo Group, Bangalore. So these 4 are basic things, basic biopesticides. But that Consort, what I am telling is biofertilizers. If you add that also, that gives additional strength to these bacteria. These things we are making we should make a batch of 100 kgs done, and see these all 4 at the rate of 1 kg each should add to that tank and apply, preferably at the time of plantation itself. If for those already who have planted, immediately as a precautionary, even if you do not have this, as a precautionary method, apply at the rate of 1 kg each, so that in the edge of the canopy, where this roots end, should approximately roots are ending at that area, around the plant, make 3 or 4 the holes and dig, and in that you put this dung. Then keep it wet so long as possible, because anyway for this guava plantation we are giving at least once one supply of water in 3-4 days. That is sufficient. If that is, because then this bacterium will grow and help make like a mesh or shield around the plant and fight these nematodes. Right? This gives us very good. The best thing I understood, the best remedy is this. So I thought I would share this with you all, because mostly it is coming from nursery. Nursery people, though we are purchasing 1 lakh of plants also, they are not even advising this. This is guava is tend to get damaged by nematodes. And initially, as a root application, if we give in the packets itself, even before planting, then it will be a great help to fight these things. Unfortunately, we don't get such guidance from them. For any of your doubts, you can write a comment. I will certainly reply to your queries. If you please like the video, if you like it, share it, and I also request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, SPS Amazing Sandal Farm.